Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Mar and today I'm going to show you how to create different video ideas using AI. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so this is a prompt that I'm going to be using. You can use it. I'm going to leave it down below so you guys can copy and paste it. And all you have to do is remove my Instagram page and add your own. That's it. In case you're using it for TikTok, you do the same thing. Simply change Instagram to TikTok and then we're going to go ahead and hit enter. And that's it, you guys. In less than a minute, I have now 10 video ideas that I can use and film for the week. And that way I do not have to worry about the idea, but I need to create the script and the execution. That way, of course, it still feels really natural and authentic to social media, because remember, that is the key of content creation. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.